What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Happy birthday to this guy. Yes, we're on the Mclaren.
Yeah.
Two reasons why we rented this out. First reason, obviously, is this kid's birthday. The second reason is because we're looking to probably in the future get into McLaren, and the best way to figure it out is not to ask somebody and drive it for 20 minutes, is to have it for a couple of days. I'm gonna make a bigger, longer video later on, kind of going over what I kind of hate and like about it. So far, we're pretty happy with it. Yeah,
This is the one.
there you go. Also, keep an eye out for another video that will probably come up in a week or so. Whenever I get a chance, we're probably gonna get a hold of a Huracan too, because other than these, the Huracan is a potential new car that will come to the family in due time. It's not something that we're looking to get into right now, but hey, you never know.
Yep.
Anyways, so far we're loving it. My impressions on this car had changed from what I knew about it. Keep in mind that I never had the chance to drive it without being pushed by somebody. Hey, I need the car back, whatever. What I've seen online, the videos, and talking to a few owners, because some of the McLaren owners will tell you the truth about it, some other ones will kind of lie about it. But so far, man, we're like it. I mean, I love it. I still got a special. There you go. That was a little takeoff from the. What was that? A stop sign line?
Yeah, stop sign.
It was a stop sign. Anyways, I don't know who came up with the idea of stop signs. Well, they save lives anyway. So, yeah, I mean, we're liking it so far. I had my idea of the McLaren was I don't know, maybe somewhere else, because again, I never had the chance to drive it. Handles pretty nice. I'm not a big fan of the way he takes off sometimes, but hey, it is what it is. What else? I mean, this is not no review. This is just a quick video, basically to wish this guy happy birthday. But again,
If we were to make a review of this car, I'll tell you what, it's nothing like the other reviews that I've seen. All the other reviews, they kind of suck. Everyone just talks smack about this car, and it doesn't do justice.
this
This car's worth it.
Yeah, it's like I was telling you a second ago. My idea was like, okay, we're gonna have the chance to drive it and enjoy it. It was gonna be like, this is gonna be a horrible experience, but it turns out to be a lot different though.
It's fun.
It is fun. It's a fun car. By the way, I'm going to provide links on the description of the video to what's it called? There you go.
Getting on the freeway is even more fun.
Let's see.
See, we got a little light coming up.
Oh, that light. Yeah. Oh shoot, there's a light coming up.
Man, and there's traffic.
Ruin it. Look at this. Welcome to LA. If you're not in the LA area, you got such a nice car, I can't enjoy it.
But let's see how this goes. I mean, you can still do a quick 0 to 20, you know?
0 to 20 on a green light. Let's see. Nobody else going on, or what is coming? Come on, green light. Smash it. There you go. Oh boy, man, I cannot tell you how much fun this car is. I am going to provide links on the description of this video. If you're on the LA area and you want to get this same exact McLaren, you want to take it for a spin for a day, 2, a week, or whatever you want, I'm going to provide links on the description. You can click on it. You can go ahead and book the car for a few days if you like.
One thing I want to share, this is coming from a 2020 modified, pretty heavy GTR. And honestly, this is better. It's different. That's all I could say.
There you go. Oh, look at that little Aston Martin.
Little SUV.
Yeah, the SUV. I haven't seen one up close. Anyways, that's gonna be it. Again, I'm gonna make a longer video, kind of giving you our thoughts about the car later on. And that's about it. We'll see you guys in the next one. Again, happy birthday to this guy right here.